In this video, we are going to show you how to add textures in CorelDRAW. Now, to add textures so your project looks cooler or more dynamic, it's quite simple. Open any document, whatever shape or dimension you have, and then look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main, toolbar. You want to click on any of the shape tools. You can be clicking on rectangle, circle, or polygon. We want to do polygon this time to mix it up, right? So all you need to do is click on polygon and then just click and drag to give you the shape, like so. Once you have this, you want to click on the bucket tool or the interactive fill tool, or G, like so. Once you have this, look towards your upper left portion. You're going to see several options here, but you want to click on texture fill over here, right? So if you hover your mouse, it's going to show you what's what, right? So click on texture fill. By default, it's going to give you this kind of like sky-esque blue sky with some clouds texture. You can actually change that over here, right? You click the drop-down menu. There are a lot of options. You can do this kind of like, a drone footage of like a forest. You can click on samples, right? There's several types of samples that has different outlines. So that's pretty much how you do it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.